everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Cash 'Em All, which is a mobile application that allows you to earn real money or numerous gift cards only by playing their in-app games. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe because it helps this channel's growth a lot. Having said that, let's dig in and see what this app is all about. So basically, Cash 'Em All is a free and easy to use app that requires no deposits. There are also no in-app purchases, and all you have to do in order to earn is play the games the app has to offer. Also, the more you play, the more you earn. Initially, your earnings will be given to you in the form of coins, which you can either transform in real money and cash them out through PayPal, or you could just choose to turn them into gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, and many more. The app has various game types that you can play, such as casual, arcade, puzzle, adventure, and so on. So you may be wondering why this app is paying you to play games. It's pretty much about advertising because the app wants to have as many users as it can, so the in-app games that you will have to play in order to earn are paying the app in order to get advertised, and this is how the app is able to pay you. As I mentioned before, besides turning your coins into gift cards, you can also turn them into real money and cash them out through PayPal. And usually, when you cash out for the first time, the app will send you a notification that your credit will be sent to your account within 7 business days, but it never takes that much, so don't worry. One last thing I would like to mention about the PayPal cash out is that when you do it for the first time, Cash 'Em All will require you a verification. So basically, you need to verify your PayPal address so they can be sure that you will use this app in an honest way. If you want to see a payment proof video, just leave a comment down below, and also if you have any questions related to this video, feel free to ask them and I will respond to them right away. I hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to share it so your friends can earn as well. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.